Kublaya pi baro ni pedang sungop hai pi gatup kubor mentaga janmit shwaban phaj ki kubor ki babnya ni pechwai ki mat bakongsan Menteri Rang Baduk ke Riu Narendra Modi bat ke Menteri Rang Baduk ke Bangladesh ke Sheikh Hasina ringkat kilap le perda ya ke Unit 1 jo ke Maitri Super Thermal Power Project Kaseng National People's Party ke Pediang lada ke BJP ha ke jela ke temu ban weng no ya ke jingkershan ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lada kikwa Kentu kinong senchar shnong ke Blok 1 ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban penti kena ban penpai biang ya ki lai punril ligi shnong penar Shari Lom Jaitia wat haka baar jongka jingakren ya penbai kapot Penlong ke Sarkar Meghalaya ya ke jingjurip kumshi benta jongka school bus project ban penduna ya ke jingtheng kali haka jela Kiku bor ki babnya Menteri Rang Baduk ke Riu Narendra Modi bat ke Menteri Rang Baduk ke Bangladesh ke Sheikh Hasina Henegasngi kilap le perda ringkat ya ke Unit 1 jo ke Maitri Super Thermal Power Project hadin ke jingakren hanong ba Delhi la IT ya ke ni ke jingtei hapok ke concessional financing scheme ke India kandang penbuan sa 1000 laispa arpo megawatt syaka national grid Kijing ki bayade bakajing penyes snowboarding, science, water resource, ka khayi pateng bakajing baitingka, kam khapot bakajing shngan, ka roy kapar, bat ki kam ki bakta ka than bat ki wei ki mat kilong ki mat ki ban yekran hakane ka jing kendo. Ya ki hneutli ki soskular, bakan thop ya ka kamrel, science but technology, space technology, laya sam ka liang hadien ka jing yakran. Kani ka kentop ya ka jingete soskular bar ka prasar bharati bar ka Bangladesh Television on Corporation hakaliang pathai jingtip.
भारत बांग्लादेश के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलता रहेगा आज हमारी बातचीत इस मूल प्रतिबद्धता को दोहराने का भी एक उत्तम अवसर रही एक बार फिर प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जी और उनके डेलीगेशन का मैं भारत में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं और भारत में उनके सुखद प्रवास की कामना करता हूं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
National Vice President Kaseng National People's Party ubalong ru usimbut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong ulabu jingkali ye State BJP in charge Dr. Chuba Aw halor ka jingkan tho bakaya ha bat ka jingkan no Kaseng AAP bat ka TMC Persha ka BJP ba ka pendan kam da Katnat Enforcement Directorate bat ka Central Bureau of Investigation kom ki atyar kam sign perthei Uaw ulakan tho baka Enforcement Directorate barka Central Bureau of Investigation kenyele persha eka Sarkar MDA hapo ka jingelam ka seng NPP halor ka jingkno bamsap Vice President ke NPP ulaong baka jingberngem ka BJP ban wengno eka Sarkar on pedang ye kata ka rai lada ka kwa ban le kumta
We welcome that, but it seems it's already late. The way the allegation made from time to time is found to be a political gimmick. It seems BJP now prove very clearly, as alleged by be it APP, be it TMC, they are using, it seems, ED or CBI as their political tool. My stand is very clear again. If they want to pull out of the MD government, we welcome that. But it seems it's already late.
Kakin huan kinong senchar shnong na Block 1 kilay kendu yu simbut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong bat kilay kentu ika Sarkar jala ban pentikna ban penpai pat ikilay punriut li kishnong Sharilum Jaintia habakren ba kinong thok khubor u General Secretary kalabang nang phalut pangam Raliang Council uba Marcus M Thayang ulaong lai punriut li kishnong penar bahapo ka Block 1 lapen bor yaki banlong ka benta jong ka Karbi Anglong Mikir bat ka North Kachar Hills house nem khat khandai spa san phuwei Kini kishnong hakajing shisha ki hap hapo ka Rilum Jaintia kilakar pat yu ba Preston ban penti kena ban penhap biang ye kini kishnong hap baro hapo upur usam ka Meghalaya hakawat ka ba ar jong kajing penbet put hapdeng ka Meghalaya ber ka Assam Haka jo kapor ba preston ula ong baka kenhuan kala pha ya ka jing tho ka bakar pat ka sarkar ban pentikna baki lai phun reutli ki shnong pnar ki baha phapo ka block 1 on ben phai pat shaka Meghalaya.
The headman and secretary of the. But now we came to meet our deputy chief minister before they start the phase 2 survey for the settlement of the interstate boundary. According to the talk with the deputy chief minister, so he strongly believes that the command of Assam also will release all the Pnar villages to be back to Joint Hill district.
I already explained to them, okay, you wait till the constitution of the regional committee, and by then meeting will be called to all the stakeholders along with all the details, the documentation, this and whatever. So we will discuss that.
Ka project bat penyat ki school bus hasilong kay kendo jing e ha ka baba ki babon ki school hasilong kim dani ka jaka penyeng ka bapaka. Henry hapdeng ki jing e ka sarkar ka lathmu batlas dang man pentri kam ya ka jing penyat ki school bus ban penduna ya ka jing dheng kali ha so shilong kilayo prapu ar na ka shispa ka jing menjur ki kimi ki pa ki khna school ban shong de ki boss school ban penbyang de ka sarkar jala Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi ba lakmen rimboy ula pentep ba ka sarkar ka penlong ka jing jurip halor ki jaka penyeng kali na ka benta ki school bus bat ya ka lenti bade banyan Haka affidavit bala pha shaka Meghalaya High Court haka khanyo trek unailar ka sarkar kala pentip bahaka jingle yakendo yaki school la yo hado prapu ar na khispa yak jinkar shan ki kimi ki pa baki khon kin shong de kini ki school bus bala ai de ka sarkar ka thmu ban pinyo hado sanpho hado nrupho tali ki boss na ka benta kani ka kam
because many of the schools they didn't have the good, a large enough compound where after dropping the student they will park in the vicinity of the school or inside the school campus. This study is going on. Whatever Honorable Chief Minister has stated in the budget, whatever the government think, I think after taking all this concession, this will be one of the steps to ease the congestion of the city.
Hakajing sumar hakasian baningkong e ka Woodland Hospital Shillong glalia e kajing kiliang plasma hakasian ka baningkong. Habakren berkilat pathay kubor i consultant nephrologist jong ka Woodland Hospital i Dr. Indakiulin Kharbuli ila pentip bakajing kiliang e plasma kadai ka rukom man penkhoj e kasnam kabaya pher na ka rukom sumar dialysis. I Dr. Kharbuli ilaban bakajing kiliang plasma kadai ka rukom sumar ka basuk ka basimpor tang 4 minit ban sumar baro ki plasma jo kinong pang kilong ki bama batla pat ban pen kiliang da ki plasma ki bathamai.
Plasma exchange is a form of a blood purification system. It's different from the dialysis. It's a process where we change the plasma of a patient through a special filter. We connect the filter to the machine. It could be a dialysis machine. And it's a very simple procedure where it takes only around 20 minutes for the procedure to happen. Patients who require plasma exchange are usually those patients who have antibodies in their system, like special cases of TTP, which is thrombocytopenic purpura, any anti-GBM disease, or cases of SLE also who don't respond to treatment.
Mentapat ngene pe ye jinglong jingman gasin beneng hasulong. Kajing shet kalong arpulai 0.9 degree Celsius bar kajing krat kalong khat 0.1 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong prapo na kashis pa min step bat khandai phun rew na kashis pa janmit. Kala bandan kajing hap slap ka bamalumala ha ki babon ki jaka. Sashisian gi penkenma ye phi bayagani ko khubor jangi phila ruban pe live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong. Shwaban poi shiga bukut juga thup khubor ngene pej biang sai shisian ni kimat ki bakong san. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi berkamut Menteri Rang Badu ke Bangladesh ke Sheikh Hasina ringkat kilap lia perda ya ke Unit 1 juga Maitri Super Thermal Power Project. Kaseng National People's Party kelapdiang Lada ke BJP hak jela ketemu ban wenno ya ke jingkashan ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Lada kikwa. Kintu kinong sensyar shnong ke Blok 1 ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban pen tikena ban pen thai biang ya ke lai phulil ligi shnong penar Sharilum Jantia hak wat ke baar jong ke jingakren ya pen bet kaput. Penlong ke Sarkar Meghalaya ya ke jing jurip kumshi bentar jong ke school bus project man penduna ya ke jing heng kali hak jela. Di parlok katung ila poi shaka bakut jong thup khobor jong imenta ka janmit hadu bangin syam yang bat phil shai kasngi kuble phi baro.
देश बड़े संकल्प लेकर के ही चलेगा और वो बड़ा संकल्प है विकसित भारत।
प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये विजन अमृत काल में है। हर देशवासी का संकल्प जिसको गति दे रहा है आपके द्वारा दिए गए एडवांस टैक्स का एक एक रुपया। तो आइए